never really even imagined exist. And you certainly never want to come to again. Look, some booby eggs. See these? Look, little nest. Let's see if these are fresh. Oh man, that one is not. Oh, that one's kind of all right.
It's full of protein, but tastes like a mix of salt and fish. Delightful. Time to leave this putrid island.
Actually, look, there's a pool of little water here. And this is going to be fresh. We're way above the high tide mark here. The thing is, it is full of bird droppings and looking pretty fetid, but it is worth collecting this. And look, you can just see that stinking water, but fresh. And when you got really limited amount of fresh water at sea, you gotta collect every drop you can.
With my bottle full, I'm done here.
Get off that godforsaken rock. At least I got an egg.
All too soon, darkness will fall.
Come on, the sun!
It's gonna be a long night. I'm on a raft in the Pacific Ocean. I've collected some fresh water, but it's full of bird droppings and it's rancid. Drink this and you'd probably vomit and risk worsening dehydration. But there is a way of using it to gain life-giving fluids, but only as a last resort. I'm gonna give myself an enema.
Not expecting this to be particularly pleasant. But there are stories of this saving people's lives. There's one particular family who was stranded in a life raft, and all of this water had gathered in the bottom of it, but they'd been feeding off turtles. It was mixed with turtle blood. It had gone fetid. And the only way they managed to stay hydrated was by using that fetid water and giving themselves an enema.
The Robertson family survived 38 days adrift because they were willing to do anything to stay alive. The mother was a nurse and knew that the colon can absorb fluid. By performing an enema, you bypass the gag reflex, rehydrating your body without the risk of vomiting.
And then once it's in, I guess all you can do is lie back and think of England.
This must only ever be undertaken as a last resort. As the sun drops, I face my next challenge, a long, uncomfortable night at sea.
I think this is ranking as one of the worst nights I've ever spent now. Come on, the sun! Spent all day cursing the sun.